is Malosi and this is my granddad, Saia. Today we are going to be making Tongan Topai.
How to make a Tongan Topai? A flour.
Mahoa'a.
Yep. Coconut.
Niu.
And water.
Vai. Suka.
Plus the boiling pot.
Granddad, how much flour do we need?
3 cups of mahoa'a. It's better to make a fresh coconut. But if you can't get it, you can get one from supermarket cheaper. Alright?
How much coconut, Granddad?
1 cup of coconut. See? Everything. And then you can mix with coconut first, and then when it's all mixed, properly mixed, I start to add water. Come on, mix it. Okay? Yeah, that's alright. After this one, we are going to put in boiling water. Add a little bit. See, this one here is, that's how it's proper mix for me. Not too wet, because you're going to use your hand to make it a ball. Now it's ready to go to the boiling pot. You make it your hand full of mahoa'a, cover with mahoa'a. The people, they make it use the spoon, but for myself I use my hand. I do it like this, very quick. Quick.
Did your mom used to make your topai?
Yeah, sometimes, but normally I do it. I do it for her. Actually, it's nice food, very easy to make, and sometimes the Tongan like sugar. Huh? Milk and sugar, they put together before it's served.
Okay.
Now it's boiling. Now we have to test, see if when you open it up, it's not sticky. It's good, it's okay. Have a look. Yep, that's okay. Now it's cooked. Very good. See? Here, time to put the sugar. 1, 2, I put a little bit, not too much. Okay, stay. Bring yours, Malosi. You can put your own milk. Say taloto, Taloto eki tabuaki e metokoni ke mao mausino whawhinangara Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
Add your milk and then have your guy.